This is going to be a great 2 days, I think.
Yeah, I was working with small companies.
So we came across Bruce. I was actually listening to a podcast driving around one day.
It just de-escalates the whole fear factor. What if I make a mistake? When I make a mistake, I'm going to cover it up and not tell anyone because I can't make mistakes. You're not authorized to make mistakes.
Peace of mind for yourself as a business owner, that everyone on that floor or in the office or wherever they're working has the same sort of overall goals as what you do.
It jumped the barrier, cut straight through the middle, got the rabbit. Hooray for dog number 6. First dog in the history of the sport to have achieved the KPI.
So how motivated are you really to drive the change you want to see in your business? Because it does start with you guys.
It's people that know, because you're the business owner. Imagine if you were completely introverted and just didn't want to talk to anybody.
You just have everybody put up your left hand, put it over your right shoulder, and pat yourself on the shoulder and say, congratulations, you're here.